DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
YouTube, wanna deal with it, don't know what time it is, and I done back in the lab with another reaction, you know. Yes, man, you see what I deal with today, we are with none other than the vendetta boss himself. We are talking about, yes, you know, we are talking about, don't act like you don't know we are talking about. We are talking about none of the vendetta boss, Alkaline. You see me and say, yeah, man, the dog there with another track, drop a new music video entitled 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. And I think a lot of people have been waiting on this music video, you know. The audio shot and everything. I think this has been a highly anticipated video. We're going to check it out and see what the vendetta boss are dealing with. You see me and say, gang, I don't know. If you like the reaction, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, the boy so strength over here. Someone I want to deal with it. They are back fully active. You see me and say, yeah, man, I jump right now in track. This is Alkaline, the vendetta boss, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. Let's get it.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎𝐍. Tougher than Leland. Yo. Yeah, we ain't trick them a pre-man.
Tougher than Leland. You know where I talk about, don't know, say, yo, Leland chuck them in a man. By the way, shout out to Alkaline. See, dog is the face of 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up your damn self, dog. Turn bumbuckler, fashion mad icon. Go on, show.
Daddy, get move up. Spain town, I got talk too much. Up, down. Bully. We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we am free and go get dead. Me not here, meds like John Un, Vladimir. Lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me.
We no punk on the battlefield. No, we no wet bread. Pussy what no pan we and get what? Come on, man. Let's take this on the top. Stop playing. Me like that. Come in.
Daddy, get move up. Spain town, I got talk too much. Up, down. Bully. We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we am free and go get dead. Me not here, meds like John Un, Vladimir. Lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me. Man
said just like Johnny and Vladimir, my talk about Vladimir Putin and Russia. How would you like clean?
Lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me. Now industry, I'm a key man. Artists get hype and then sink like quicksand. With this strong CW9, heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you, head dad. Full of paper, yeah. Me them afraid of.
Straight head shotty man, say no youth, I want to you. Yes man, I want to you. Go ahead.
Head dad, full of paper, yeah. Me them afraid of. Me trick no can't trick me out here, what? Can't style a style like nah go work. I dig. Now watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with bro. Pocket full of garbage, spend that fast.
Watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with. So how can I feel internet I run with them? I say, yeah, idiot. That's what you believe in the boss. Go on to this body for. Go on to.
Now watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with bro. A pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo, me laugh. All the week laughs.
And them no nice. Me and them really much less same class. Go on to.
I be an idiot, them run with bro. Pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo, me laugh. All the week laughs. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't size up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around, why we start? Walk the walk, talk the talk. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't size up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around.
Don't size up, you. Dark with dark. I want to you. Don't size up, you. I want to you, man. Don't play the thing. Go on.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't size up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around, why we start? Talk the talk. Nothing don't hire than me. Try to warn me. Run a time, tire army. Knees up off for the weed, it never did that call me. Use my name to get a viral, it kinda.
So ease up off everything, never call me. To blow high off life. Go on.
Tire army. Knees up off for the weed, it never did that call me. Use my name to get a viral, it kinda.
So cigar him thing there, no. Cigar man thing there, no.
Nothing don't hire than me. Try to warn me. Run a time, tire army. Knees up off for the weed, it never did that call me. Use my name to get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the ride, love me know apart.
Use my name to get a viral, kinda canny. Blood.
Use my name to get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the ride, love me know apart. When me tas up me ask if she give a brata. Them a rough like my dog, none of them know, sir. Just fuck me.
Say me tas up, you ask her if she give a brata. Hey boy, Alkaline, I still up on them fuck with brother. That's why Alkaline, that's why Tabli call a brata boss, you know. You don't know the fuck we all learn, you know. You see you You see blood clean youth. Hey, go on.
Get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the ride, love me no aparta. When me tas slut me ask if she give a brata. Them the rough like my dog, none of them know sir. Just fuck me and deal with now pretty altar. Do what me a do, no take care.
I just fuck me and deal with it. I'm not pre all time, mama. So try don't try pre the blood clean wife thing. You see me? Cause the wife thing don't make sense. You know, still I go fuck and do all type of shit. So nobody pre the wife thing. Don't act like no good girl. Just act like the junker a bit. You see me? I say yes, man. And just make us flock together. You see me? Two of us be two big junker. You see me? I don't pretend. Go on, Joe.
Them the rough like my dog, none of them know sir. Just fuck me and deal with now pretty altar. Do what me a do, no take telling. 1,000 gal in a rotation, as a gelding. One shot in her chest.
Man said do what me a do, no take telling. 1,000 gal in a rotation as a gelding. Hey boy, Alkaline, the boy you know. The boy Alkaline is easy, you know that. Yeah, I'm just saying everything have a blood. Yeah, if you all know Alkaline have youth. Alkaline married, but you don't know man say anything. You see, him not easy, you know.
Them the rough like my dog, none of them know sir. Just fuck me and deal with now pretty altar. Do what me a do, no take telling. 1,000 gal in a rotation, as a gelding. One shot in her chest. DOA, shop to buy more place. No HOA, no them no 100 but still kill for them.
Shop fit buy place, no HOA. No homeowners association. No, you mean, man, we need some big blood cleat ranch. Half in the blood cleat countryside. No HOA. HOA is the worst thing ever. Well, they want to tell you what to do with your property and all these things. Fuck a HOA. No, sir. And gated community. We know the part that.
Hey, shop to buy more place. No HOA. No them no 100 but still kill for them. Some look like warrior but them innocent. You go weak out if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up no way.
Them look like a warrior but them innocent, brother. You go weak out every day if you get up and give a strength. I real talk, you know. Some people, sometimes I try to help out people because I love my business and I help out people. A business me there I do and I have conscience. I try to give people the best price and when me I charge the best price, me still I take little. No, sir, I cannot know. We have business. We are doing.
Kill for them. Sound look like worry about them innocent. You go weak out if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up no wait pan follow out. What the difference? Yeah, man, say walk the walk, talk the talk.
But man say just turn an app make you fall out. Why difference? Wait the whole on go on show for real.
No them no 100 but still kill for them. Some look like warrior but them innocent.
No them no 100 but we still kill for them. Some look like a warrior but they innocent.
But if every day you get up your strength, just turn up no wait.
Yeah, weak out every day if you get up and give a strength.
Yeah, weak out if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up no wait pan fall out. What the difference? Yeah,
man say just turn up no virgin. Don't wait pan no fall out. Why difference, brother? Just turn up and done, no, brother. Just turn me enemy and done, no, so me can't kill you all on the bumbo. Like go hide under friend disguise and all these things. And we have to sit and say, yo, this make you want to fall. No, brother. Just try your hate. We just talk up. We could go to war. You see me? We could just go to war. Set speed. You see me? In the pretend thing. That's why I'm still alone in the virgin. You see me? We could just go to war and get it out of the way. I'm just kill off on the bumbo clot and done. You know what I'm telling you? Don't wait and pretend for sitting for him. You see me? I say, because nothing go on for mine, you know. I always pan phone, you know. I won't always a pussy hole, you know. You notice me keep to myself. That's what me understand Alkaline. Me understand blood cleat Alkaline, you know. I see him when me keep to myself, you know. You see me? Yeah, me cartel, you see me, I'm massacre, me that a long time if you know some me Alkaline too. But me understand the dog, you know. Me understand why dog stay to himself for real. You see me? Because some of them pussy, they just no say. I know say you're terrible. So they now go come out and want to war, you know. They go pretend under disguise and I wait for sitting at for nothing. No, brother, just turn ups, no man. Just turn ups. Don't wait for nothing. Because nothing now got for mine. Because I don't violate people, I'm in a rare. So you now got for mine. You see me? So just, if you don't like, you just make turn ups. I could go to war. We could just go to war so we can't kill off you and your family. Come in, no man.
Look like warrior but them innocent. You go weak out if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up, no wait pan fall out. What the difference?
Yes, man. Just turn up. Don't wait pan no fall out. Why difference? Come on, no man. Come on, no be a man.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around. Why we start? Walk the walk,
talk the talk.
Walk the walk, talk the talk.
Yeah.
Don't signs up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around. Why we start?
Yes.
Talk the talk. A pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same
class.
But me see some of
Them
them.
not in a beef, much as same class. How am?
Rap for me laugh, all day we flex.
Yes.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, walk with us. Can't fuck around, why we stop?
Yes, man.
Walk the walk, talk the talk.
No, not go talk up. You not go walk and talk up straight. Because you know what go happen. You see me? Murder everything, man. I want to know, man.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up.
Some boy just know say, yo, I show no know family save, you know. And that you know if you know here, that been killing the blood.
Talk with us, can't fuck around, why we start? Talk the talk.
Yes, man.
Walk the walk, talk the talk.
Yes, man.
Can't fuck around, why we start?
Yes, man. You don't know now. Go fuck up directly, you know. You now fuck up directly. Yeah. Yes, man. Oh, no. Room down the head top. Bumbo clean. Me understand Alka. Me see why Alkaline move on away and stay by himself, brother. You see me? Yes, man. We stay to ourselves, brother. Don't fuck up. You see me? That me I tell you. Don't fuck up. Yo, big up Alkaline. That one them mad key, man. Yeah, man, say, yo, brother, just don't wait for your follow. Just turn up, no, bridging. Just turn up. Don't try wait and try find sitting and way. Just turn up, no, man. You see me and say, I see what happen. Just turn up and done, man. No, me attack. Yeah, man, just turn up and done, man. So I'm murder on a bum buckler, man. Come in, man. Could just get to it and get it over with. Come on, we gonna die anyways, nigga. We gonna die anyways. I only got like, what, 30 more years on this planet, man. You see me? Max. You see me? Max. That's how if you live a good life. We only got about 35. The average expectancy of a black man is like 75. You see me? We only got 30 odd plus years left on this. Come go to war, man. We are going to dead anyway. Nobody now come out of this alive. One way out of this is in our blood, either ash, in our cremation or in our box, brother. So we could go to war, so we kill on the blood. Me calm down. Big up to Alkaline. You see me? I say, yes, man. Let's get it. More know thoughts, people. You see me? Big up to Alka. Hey. Big up Alka. You see me? I say, next time, we're out.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy.